Anybody can this your boy Anyidon on your checker. About for this video, if you're an Igbo man, make sure you share this video before you start watching. Trust me, this video might be long. So if you don't have enough data, borrow data.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, if you are a true Biafrans and you come across this particular video, do well to share the video, because this our brother Anyidon don't finally come out to say something concerning the sentence of our leader Nnamdi Kanu. So he talked a lot of things in this particular video. That is why I bring it here, so that other Biafrans can also benefit from it. So as a Biafran that you are, do not forget to share, to support us, so that any day, anytime update like this comes out, we can be able to bring it here. So share this video and remain blessed. And in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, so that any day, anytime, you can be able to see our update day and night. Share this video and remain blessed. It is your brother Anyidon that is talking.
Anybody can this your boy Anyidon on your checker. About for this video, if you're an Igbo man, make sure you share this video before you start watching. Trust me, this video might be long. So if you don't have enough data, borrow data and come and watch this video. First and foremost, none of my handles are monetized, so I'm not making any money. I'm not a content creator. I'm using this channel and what the younger generation information for Kwasema. It's high time we start telling ourselves the truth. I'm going to be the truth. Na ibu nde meli naga. Mana anya chori ikwe. And because na anya chori ikwe, I na see no why I see. We keep living a lie. We are bringing forth generations and then I'm Kebe Ezioku, because what we feed them with bokwa lies. Gini bu that Ezioku. Ezioku a ona agba ona afofu na alu. Ogburu ike ama iwe melia. Ọ dị ka odudu bel na amụ, mana eziokwu ka ọ. Gịnị bụkwa eziokwu a? Eziokwu a bụ na emelila anyị n'agha. Na bụ ndị emeli. Mana asịla anyị asị mgbe emelicha anyị. Maka na achọrọ ka anyị feel be ka ndị emeli n'agha. Ya ka eji wee sụọla anyị oyibo a. No victor, no vanquish. Maka na anyị bụ mmadụ. Enwere onye chọrọ ka asị ya na ọ bụ onye emeriri n'agha na onye adọrọ n'agha. Enwere onye chọrọ inwe that status of onye na-enwere onwe ya. I embrace that slogan, no victor, no vanquish. I go badie with obi anyị niile. We embraced it. Or console why we try to build on with that language, no victor, no vanquish. And this is the plan of Obodo to reintegrate us back into Ianem. Now, we lost ourselves when we stopped reading the signs that shows that that was just a slogan. It never meant anything in reality. Somebody that told you no victor, no vanquish, closed all your accounts and all your assets when you get 20 pounds. This was done to you and not on the analog. Everything was closed down and 20 pounds was given to you. People lost their assets, their business, their houses, their investments. And we started afresh with no victor, no vanquish. And we've been living our life like that, lying to ourselves. After Anus logo, now we go back to drawing board. We say a plan. Am I here about the plan? The plan of beginning. Eba we go no victor, no vanquish. I get that free hand so that they will feel belong. Mana what we will never allow these people to have access to. Bogene, power. Any office that decide the direction of this country, they can never have access to that, because these people don't have equal rights with us. And that script has been played out on our faces, yet We don't know. This was the plan. Now, we were given free hand to do our business because they know that what matters is power. Only thing that matters is power. If you have power, you can make yourself a trillionaire, even in dollars. And if you have power, you can make a trillionaire a wretched man under 24 hours. So power decides who is wealthy and who is not. So ni nwere ego na account gị, ni nwere investment here and there, ni nwere influence, you still don't have anything because onye ji power can cripple you overnight. Onya melo, so many in the buy, nego ni never jive nwere n'okwu because of ejiro power. Onye ji power, ye jideva tiva n'okpuru table. Onye ji power, all ka ga put, e freeze all your assets, all your bank details, tiekwuo gị n'ime. Mee gị, ịmapụta the court until ha chọ. Ihe bụ ihe power na-eme. And ihe bụ ihe na-ala anyị. Lapụla anyị agbazie nnekere. Make your money. It's not a problem. But for power nwa, akaghị ama alụ ya. Maka na anyị amarọ the benefit of power. Onya mere anyị ji feel like I don't want to say this. I just feel like even now, the governor, the minister, the rep, the elite, the das, our billionaires, I can have power. Oh, fumpuru power na area they can't make a demand. That is a fact. Obro Okwefulef, I'm telling you the truth. They cannot demand for anything. One boy they demand even a burger. You can't. Whenever one boy decided he demanded something from Ogia will put him in his place. Where that's not Bronya burger. This is our status. And the earlier you know it, it will start affecting the way you reason, the way you approach things, the way you talk, and what to demand and how to go about it. Now, let me draw your mindset backward. After the war, Aba was area for commerce. Onitsha, the biggest market where you trade. Aba is for production. After the war, there is a plan to reintegrate us back to Nigeria. Because Nigeria after the war began, that we need to be checkmated. Any check here, all our actions need to be checkmated. That is why they wanted to start moving our businesses from our base here in the southeast into other regions in Nigeria. How did they do this? They knew that we were business people. And after the war, we were left with no other option than to trade and make money. Because whatever thing we had was taken away from us. So they went to the Ogapatapata of them all IGMA business. Which is what? The seaport, Bonaire, and Nkena Calabar, and Nkena Rivers. For weje bayaka. Keya balaka. We decided to lay checkpoint upon checkpoint upon checkpoint from Port Harcourt Seaport down to east, from Calabar Seaport down to east. Ibuluzi afiagi. Kilia chaya na wharf. With so much restrictions and suffering. Ikugido wonder before bata southeast or galon. Afiaga galon genogi abariye. Iya be ihe no na pass through. First and foremost, I zibu na Port Harcourt Seaport we na bata afia. When this started happening, we thought no bunde rivers na-eme ihe a. The whole importers and ndị ọga dị in charge of business wee mee meeting wee sizie na ha ga-esizi from Port Harcourt seaport move to Calabar in order to tell the rivers that they can do it without them, since they want to punish them. They now relocated to Calabar seaport. The same checkpoint happened there. Obviously, the double. Now, why our people were seriously passing through this operation? They were putting up to this until some people will notice here that na ha need imepe branch na Lagos, na other places na the country, Kanu and other places. Abịazi mepe branch and ụmụ boy na-azụ branch. Ha notice here na ụmụ boy na-azụ branch na Lagos, Kanu, other places, Abuja. Those ụmụ boy na-agbazi moto, beto na ndị otuva bijo na-arụ ụlọ. Ha nwa nọ n'Aba, ha nwa nọ n'Ọnịcha, ha nwa nọ n'Enugu na-azụ head office. Ndị na-ebe eni because of gịnị? Branch anwa, these people felt more secure buying from there than coming down to East. Because of gịnị? Ọ bụ na ime offload na Lagos seaport, ịma akwụ ụgwọ ihe niile na-akwụ ụgwọ ya n'ụzọ get affect your price down here na East. So ndị mmadụ na-egozi na branch ụmụ boy na-ebuba. So mgbe ndị ọga chọpụtara ya, ndị mana ọga chọọ ka ego efuo, ndị ọga wee sizie ụmụ boy ha natazie na East ka ha nwa tọnụzie branch to head office. Before we knew what was happening, and this was the script had there and played by it in order to move our businesses and move us from our zone to reintegrate us back. Maybe investment, because Hammer, now most of our assets, we lost it after the war, and now invest outside again. So they used this business and dragged us back. By we never ego, I na shop, na plaza, na run for rent. Before my name, all our assets went back into Nigeria. Before my name, those things I went, abruzi here checkmate here. Join them na Balogun Tat and then na trade fair. Ikusi okwu ike agbachie the trade fair, agbachie Balogun. A short word down. Ihabu, the way they wanted to be checkmating us, and this is the master plan. Again, one oku, just play by the book. You don't have the right to demand. Achutuku, former governor of Lagos State, Mboku Loku, that again, no choro ke nwenka karapi boku afa. Awe chutu emu channel Lagos mo enneku. Iji go see that again, you are not expected to demand for anything because of your status as somebody that doesn't have the equal right. And because now our generation don't know this, that is why when we make money, we will invest into that places, help our region. We decided not to be wise like the Yorubas and like the Hausas. I na fotas nduche ha na-ezu. Na Hausa man ga-ebulu ute ya bulu ihe na bịa na region anyị na-eme business, na-ebunatala ya efi, na-ebunatala ya food stuff. Mana ọma nwe plaza or ya nwe shop na East ya. Ego niile o mekiri oburu ya nawa befa. Because gịnị? Ọma that na region a or trust to her. Mana anyị nwa I trust our region, trust our region now, because I feel like I can watch uche ejeme business, and because na nyamara our status. If we really know our status, whatever thing we have and own will be found in the Eastern region. Eastern region, Abrosa, Igafe, Niger Bridge, Eastern region, even my Delta region. rivers and all the Anchabu Eastern region is a lot safer than ebe ọnọbụ. Ibụla ọgaranya gị, ihe ọhụrụ ọsọ gị mee ebe a, ị chọrọ ime into real estate, ị na-eme ebe a, ị na-eme ebe a, mana ya mara na real estate ọhụrụ ị na-eme. Ebe a bụ this focal point maka na ebe a ka ị ga-enwe security. Ebe a ka ị ga-enwe security. And ọ bụrụ na anyị develop southeast dị sharp, infrastructures and so many things are all southeast. Inwegona any bargaining chip a ga-eji nega anya. Negonu ka southeast bride. Ọ dị ka ebe mmadụ na-ebi. Ọ dị ka ebe mmadụ na-ebi. Malụkwa ha malụ na guys have not mgbe a abroskwa ka ọ dị kịta. Na nwechara ihe niile o. Fa nwere gold, fa nwere uranium, fa nwere ore, fa nwere ihe niile. So fa nwere bargaining chip. Nne nke anyị nwe have we maximized the potentials anyị nwe here na southeast? None. Ihe mere nwanne anyị bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ji onwe ya wee kụziere gị your position na this country. Ụfọdụ si na o ji onwe ya ka ọ draw your attention of the international body mba. Ihe mere ya bụ ka ọ gwa gị your own position as onye Igbo n'obodo a, so that you stop making unnecessary demands, so that you don't lose yourself in search of yourself, so that you will know how the law and how the country sees you and know how to move. See, when you know who you are and the right things happening around you, the way you act will change definitely. The way you behave will change definitely. Coming again up now, whoa. You use your number 6. Number 6, wisdom, is profitable to direct. Wisdom. Let me shock you. There are so many Igbo people, the influential, that did something very meaningful in the case of Nnamdi Kanu than some of you online. And why did they decide to operate under? Is because they know their status and they know what is playing that you don't know. There are so many barristers. Actually, because I need to get his permission from Bafia. There's a barrister, Nelly Dibu, case in Nnamdi Kanu. That day, and I got judgment. I spoke to him, he was crying. Some effort in Omeke. Let me not say much because I needed to get his before I say anything. A lot of people went behind doors and closed cameras. So, know who you are. Marry your position. This judgment now. If we don't know who we are, what will it lead to? Okay, lead to tension in the southeast. I be the kwazi. Buonwai. Kaisa drag our elders, our chiefs, our kings, our people in the government. Some are very, very, very. Many of them cannot really do anything. They can't really do anything. They can only beg. They can't demand. When you force them to make a demand, you don't know your position. And you will keep running, round and round, circling around. So, know who you are. This is the essence of this message. Stop. Unemes is no up. Know who you are. Number 1. When you know your position, the way you act and the way you behave will change. You will start using your brain, not only your mouth and your leg. Now, urge every Igbo person, look into Southeast, look into the Eastern region. Do your investment. Bring your infrastructure home. Build here. Do whatever thing it takes to bring peace to the South, to the Eastern region. Oga, ihe anyị nwere bụ ndị Igbo bụ ego, anyị enwere pawa. Ọzọ mere nwa nsube sị gị Igbo chọba pawa, Igbo enwere pawa. Ọ da ekwueli and you da chọ pawa by here na you can use your 6, your number 6 ka ị ga-eji wee mee ya. I wish I could say a lot, but this video took too much. Yadaba.